Hello viewers, let's see how we can solve this problem together. You are asked to make estimate of amount of sub-base material required in tons to cover a road of length 8 km, width 10 meter, sub-base thickness 200 mm. So the density of sub-base material is this, 1600 kg per meter cube. So they have given us the typical. So this top layer is asphalt, followed by the stone base, as the base course, and the sub-base, which is 200 mm, 200 mm, and 8 mm. So the width of the road is 10 meter. These are drain, 2.5% slope. So we're going to solve this problem treating the sub-base like a flat shape, because 2.5% slope is more or less like a flat shape. It's a gentle slope. So if you look at this other diagram, it looks like the horizontal alignment. Let's call this horizontal alignment. So it shows us from the beginning of the road, which is from the 0 to the 8 kilo. So this thickness you're seeing is the sub-base thickness. Alright, let us see how we can estimate the amount of sub-base material needed for this road. So the road length, is 8 kilometers. We want to have uniformity in the units. So I'll convert this 8 kilometers to meter. So it simply means what? You multiply this 8 kilo by 1000, you have. So the next thing we have is the width, the road width. The road width from the question is 10 meter. I think the unit here is okay. 10 meter, 8000 meter. There is uniformity here. The next thing is what? The thickness. The thickness of the material is 200 mm, which is this, 200 mm. So convert this 200 mm to meter. What we have is this. So let's show how this conversion is made. Remember, you know that (1000 mm) is equivalent to 1 meter. So we're having 200 mm is equivalent to what? X meter. So for us to get S, we have to say, for us to get X meter, we have to say this 200 mm multiplied by what? 1 meter over 1000 mm. So that you see that this will go with this unit will go with this. So X meter is equals to this over this, which is 0.2. The unit that is left is this. Alright. So having known this, the next thing we have here is our density. The density is 1600 kg per meter cube. Convert this to tons per meter cube. We have to divide this by 1000. We have 1.6 tons per meter cube, because we are asked to find the amount of material required in tons. So the volume is equals to what? Length times breadth times thickness. What is the length of the road? The length of the road is 8000 meters times the breadth is what? 10 meters times the thickness is what? 0.2. All in this.